This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to link a picture to a cell value in Excel. This powerful technique allows an image to dynamically change based on what's written in a specific cell. The core of this method involves creating a dynamic named range and then linking a picture object to that range. We'll start by preparing our data and understanding the fundamental concept behind this unique Excel feature. Next, we need to define a dynamic named range. Go to the Formulas tab, then click Define Name. Give your range a clear name like Dynamic Image. In the Refers to box, enter a formula that points to your image based on a cell's value. For example, if cell A1 contains the name of your image, you might use equals indirect, A1. This range will now dynamically update to refer to the correct image. Now, let's insert and link the picture. Go to the Insert tab, then Illustrations, and choose Pictures to place any image onto your sheet. Once the picture is on your worksheet, select it. Crucially, go to the formula bar at the top of Excel. Type an equals sign, followed by the exact name of the dynamic range you just created, for instance, equals dynamic image, and then press Enter. The picture is now linked. Finally, it's time to test and refine your dynamic picture link. Change the value in the cell that your named range refers to, and you'll see the picture instantly update to reflect the new selection. You can resize and reposition this linked picture just like any other image. This powerful technique is incredibly useful for creating interactive dashboards or dynamic reports, allowing for a highly visual and responsive Excel experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.